Creating a campaign in Constant Contact is a structured process designed to help you effectively reach your audience. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into your account. Go to Constant Contact's website and log in with your credentials. Start a new campaign. From the dashboard, click on Create or Create Campaign. Choose email if you're starting an email campaign. Alternatively, select other campaign types such as social post or survey, depending on your needs. Select a template. Browse and select from various pre-designed email templates. You can choose a template based on the type of campaign you are creating, or opt for a blank template to start from scratch. Customize the campaign. Use the drag and drop editor to add and edit content blocks like text, images, buttons, and social media links. Customize colors, fonts, and layout to match your branding. Add your content. Enter your campaign content including subject lines, email body, and any calls to action. Ensure your message is clear, engaging, and relevant to your audience. Choose recipients. Select the email list or segment you want to target. You can create new lists or use existing ones. Preview and test. Preview your campaign to ensure it appears correctly on various devices. Send a test email to yourself to check for any issues. Send or schedule. Choose Send to deliver the campaign immediately or schedule to set a specific time for sending. Monitor performance. After sending, use the report section to track metrics such as open rates and click-through rates to assess the effectiveness of your campaign.